2026 500 Series Honda CB500 SF versus Honda CBR500 highlights.
Notable highlights. 1. The next-gen compact. The CB500 comes equipped with the latest evolution of Honda's e-clutch technology. Paired with a ride-by-wire throttle, this system is significantly more compact than the version found on older 650cc models, cleanly hiding the servo mechanism on the left side above the transmission. It allows you to start, stop, and shift gears seamlessly without ever touching the handlebar clutch. The physical lever is still there if you want to ride completely conventionally. 2. Retro design with premium hardware. Visually, the bike features the classic hallmarks of a vintage Honda naked bike. A signature round LED headlight stacked over dual horns. Sweeping, beautifully sculpted 4-in-1 exhaust headers that leave the engine bay wide open as a key design piece. 2026 Honda CBR500R. Here's a summary of what makes this bike stand out, as well as areas that might be worth considering. 1. Engine and transmission performance. The biggest update for 2026 is the switch to a 502cc inline-four. This new configuration is capable of producing around 71 to 80 horsepower, making it very powerful for its class. The transmission options are also impressive thanks to Honda's second-generation e-clutch technology. This system allows riders to upshift and stop without needing to pull the clutch lever, while still allowing manual clutch operation if desired. This feature combines with an assist slipper clutch to maintain rear-wheel stability under hard braking.